Dito kami ngayon sa Clark Airport. Ayan po. Dito kami ngayon sa counter ng Cebu Pacific. Konti lang yung pasahero. Hey. Nasa line na kami.
Kamatyan din yan.
Yan na. Nandiyan na sila. Nandiyan na sila. Present here.
Ito yung wala, may iwan.
Ito si Kurt Daniel. Ayan si Mr. Kain dyan.
Salamat, Lord. Salamat, Lord, ha? Salamat, Lord, ha?
Sasalita ka pala.
Matatas na yan magsalita ko yan.
Oo nga.
Tingnan sa lalakaran.
Salamat, guys.
Hindi mo takbo.
Kaya yung explorer dito.
We kindly remind everyone to help keep our cabin a safe and respectful space for all. And hello everyone, this is B-Boy, and together with my team, welcome aboard Cebu Pacific, making first moments happen with you. We are now ready to depart for Bacolod. The aircraft is Captain Paul Siocon, ably assisted by First Officer Rafael Izon, our flying captain.
Ladies and gentlemen, please direct your attention to your cabin crew who will
Ay, later na.
of this aircraft.
Pagka nag-runway.
Seat is provided with a seatbelt. To fasten, push ends together. Tighten seatbelt by pulling loose end. To unfasten, lift top of buckle and pull free end to release. In case of water landing, your life vest is found under your seat. Remove sharp objects from your body. To don, slip vest over the head. Take tape around the waist and push end to buckle. Pull tape to tighten. When outside the aircraft, pull inflation tags to inflate vest. Manual inflation is done by means of the red tubes. Blow to increase air. And push pins inward to release air. Light automatically illuminates once the battery is immersed in water. Do not inflate the life vest inside the aircraft. Please be reminded that unauthorized removal of life vests from the aircraft constitutes theft and is punishable by law. In case of rapid change in cabin pressure, oxygen masks will automatically drop from the compartments above you. Immediately grab the mask and pull it towards you. Put it over your nose and mouth. Pull elastic bands sideways for snug fit and breathe normally. Put your own mask first before assisting others. Keep it on until you are advised to remove it. In case of emergency evacuation, follow the lights that will lead you to the exits. For further information, please refer to the passenger briefing card found in your seat pocket. This aircraft is equipped with emergency exit signs found in the cabin. The location of the nearest exit may be behind you. Each
cabin crew to take off stations. Cabin crew to landing stations.
Mami,
Hold na, hold.
mami. I-hold mo si baby kasi magagaling mo.
Ayaw, sumukat din.
It's just now. I can fix your mom. I will. Oh, okay.
Hold mo siya, me. Bigla itong bababa, me.
Opo. Opo.
Going down, going down.
Mapagdaan, sabi niya.
Going down, going down.
Ayan na. Girl, di ba?
What?
Yan, kasi malapit. Nagbababa na tayo lahat.
Lahat tayo, lahat tayo.
Tayo na lang.
Wow.
Tapos tatanggalin mo sa isang daw. Kaya yun.
Landed.
Bawal tanggalin.
Landed. Thank you, Lord. Sa lupa na tayo.
What's that? What's that language?
Fire station. 3.
What's that? What's that language?
Landed in Bangkok, Thailand. Sawadee-krap. Happy New Year! Thank you, Cebu Pacific. Bye-bye.
A few moments later.
Hello mga friends. We're here na. Tapos na kami sa immigration. Ang haba ng pila sa immigration. Yan. Waiting kami sa service namin. Time check. Anong oras na ba? 9:20 sa Pilipinas. So, ang Philippine time is ahead almost 1 hour yung ahead, no? Nung time sa Philippines compare dito. So, yan. Yan. So, waiting pa kami ng aming service. Pupunta para sa aming papuntahan. May sundo kaming van. Yan. Stay tuned mga friends. Happy New Year po sa lahat. Touchdown na kami dito sa bansang. Hulaan nyo na lang anong bansa to mga friends. Pag na-post ko to, na-upload ko to sa YouTube. Hulaan nyo kung anong bansa to. Hindi ko pa sinasabi kung saan kami nagpunta for this New Year. Yan. Pag nagpo-comment kayo kung mahulaan nyo, may pa-Gcash tayo. Alright? See you. Kaway, welcome to my guys. Hi vlog, welcome to my guys.
Hi! Happy New Year!
Merry Christmas.
New Year sa kalsada.
Ay, si Katie ah.
It's a different New Year.
Different New Year.
Alright guys, we're here now inside the van.
New Year in Thailand. Yeah, different.
And we are now traveling. I don't know where we're going. I don't know the place. Alright, look at the ceiling of this van. Story night.
Sawadee.
I know the place. Where is that going? Where is it?
Gert Otto. Yan o sa Frau. Sa Frau. Ano?
Here we are.
20 minutes.
Mas pa.
1, 2, 3, and
Happy birthday, Joanne.
happy birthday to
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. One more time. Happy birthday, Joanne. Happy birthday, Joanne. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Joanne. Wow. How old are you now? How old are you? How old are you? How old are you now?
Hey, panindigan mo yan, ha?
I am. Answer. You sing it. I am what?
60 years old.
May gatas ka pa sa labi.
Neneng ka ba?
Birthday din ng kapatid ko. Joy ang pangalan.
Bukas din?
Joanna din.
Bukas?
Ngayon.
31.
31.
Ikaw, 1.
Joanna rin ang pangalan
Alam
niya.
mo, Joanna means woman
hope.
of faith.
Moana.
Faith.
Moana.
Eh, ang ibig sabihin ng Joanna, hope, give me hope. Joanna, give me hope.
Hey!
Pumasok!
Bumanat, bumanat. Sinong gusto mag-ribat? Banat na pa yan, Jing.
Hindi na alam.
January. Pahulog ka dyan.
What is this?
Where are you now?
Idi. What is this?
Pinagmanayaw kita kanina.